Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, LENOVO Yoga Tab 11, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. So firstly, open the control panel and let's start with disabling all unnecessary features. So if you are using Bluetooth right now, so stay it enabled but if you don't want to use Bluetooth right now, so if you are not using headphones right now or other Bluetooth devices, just disable it. Then disable location services if you are not using maps right now. Disable newbie share and hotspot. And of course, if you are using mobile internet with the SIM card and you are not using it right now because you are using internet using Wi-Fi, so disable the mobile network and use only Wi-Fi. And if you are using Wi-Fi but not using mobile internet right now, disable it, because all of these features is constantly searching for their networks. For example, Wi-Fi constantly searching for nearby Wi-Fi networks, mobile internet for 4G, LTE, location services for GPRS signal. Even you are not using maps right now and location services are enabled, your tablet always searching for GPRS signal. Then hotspot is constantly sharing the Wi-Fi. Nearby share constantly searching for nearby Android devices. So disable these features to save your battery. Great. Now open settings, then scroll down and find battery here. And here you will see battery saver. Open it and just click turn on now. Great. Battery saver was enabled, and using this mode, as you can see, I have only 20% of the battery, and with 20% my tablet will live during 1 day. So I think it's really great, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.